Most men over 50 think that dressing your age means playing it safe, neutral colors, loose fits, and zero risk. But the truth is, those habits can quietly age your entire look. In this video, we're breaking that myth. You'll discover 15 modern, budget-friendly style hacks that instantly sharpen your image without chasing trends or spending a fortune. These moves will make you look current, confident, and expensive without ever trying too hard. So, sit back, take notes, and let's rebuild your wardrobe with purpose and precision. 1. The power of a perfectly fitted polo. Men over 50 often overlook the impact of a perfect fit, a polo shirt that hugs the shoulders. Just right and tapers slightly at the waist can instantly sharpen your silhouette. No tailoring needed. Choose cotton peak or lightweight merino for breathability and a touch of luxury. Avoid loose sleeves or droopy collars. They age you faster than wrinkles ever could. This small upgrade shifts your look from retired weekend to refined confidence. It's affordable, timeless, and speaks of quiet sophistication. 2. The smart denim upgrade. Denim doesn't retire at 50, it evolves. The key is moving from distressed jeans to clean, dark-wash denim with minimal fading. These jeans work with polos, blazers, or knitwear effortlessly. They give structure without trying too hard, and they elongate the legs when paired with sleek shoes. Fit is everything. Mid-rise, slim, not skinny, and ankle length for a crisp break. This simple shift refines your entire casual wardrobe. Three, modern sneakers done right. Forget chunky dad shoes. Minimal leather sneakers in white, tan, or gray are your go-to for looking youthful yet refined. They balance smart casual outfits perfectly and pair beautifully with chinos, denim, or even casual tailoring. The goal? Sleek shape, clean lines, and quality leather. They give off an effortless European vibe, comfortable yet undeniably polished. A true wardrobe investment under $100 if you know where to shop. For lightweight layering with overshirts. The overshirt is a genius move for men over 50. Its structure without bulk. A brushed cotton or light wool overshirt can replace your blazer in casual settings while maintaining sophistication. Choose earthy tones olive, camel, or stone gray for maximum versatility. It bridges the gap between relaxed and refined, perfect for autumn walks or evening meet. The key is simplicity, not trend chasing. 5. The knitted polo comeback. Knitted polos have returned as the thinking man's alternative to t-shirts. Soft merino or fine cotton gives texture and elegance while keeping you cool. Opt for muted colors, navy taupe or rust for that mature yet modern feel. They layer beautifully under lightweight jackets and instantly elevate simple trousers. It's luxury without shouting, a quiet nod to timeless style on a reasonable budget. Six. Relaxed blazers for everyday wear. The modern blazer for men over 50 isn't stiff, it's soft, unstructured, and effortlessly stylish. Look for lightweight cotton or linen blends that move naturally with your body. Skip heavy padding or shiny finishes. Instead, go for a matte texture that feels approachable yet smart. This piece lets you keep authority without the corporate stiffness. Pair it with jeans or chinos, and it instantly signals refined confidence. The relaxed blazer proves that you can dress your age without looking old. Seven. The elevated Henley swap. T-shirts are easy, but the Henley adds maturity without losing comfort. The buttoned placket and slightly thicker fabric give structure that flatters men's torsos, especially over 50. Choose neutral shades like charcoal, taupe, or navy for versatility. Pair it with well-fitted trousers or dark jeans to strike a perfect balance between laid back and put together. This simple swap modernizes your basics without trying too hardened. It works across all budgets. Eight. Refined cargo trousers. Forget the bulky cargos of the 90s. Today's versions are slimmer, smarter, and ideal for men who want comfort and class. Opt for neutral tones like olive, sand, or stone, and ensure pockets stay flat for a clean look. They pair beautifully with polos, overshirts, or even lightweight knitwear. This style is practical yet stylish, giving off that traveler with taste energy that feels modern without being loud. Nine. The soft suede jacket. When you want to look effortlessly expensive on a budget, few items rival a soft suede jacket. It's timeless, tactile, and adds understated luxury. Go for light tan or tobacco shades rich, but wearable. Pair it with dark jeans or tailored trousers for that movie star simplicity. The suede jacket works especially well in transitional weather when you want warmth without heaviness. It's a classic piece that matures with age, just like you. the fine-gauge sweater layer. Most men over 50 overdo sweaters too thick, too old-fashioned. The solution? Fine-gauge knits in cotton or merino. They're breathable, sleek, and perfect for layering. Worn over a collared shirt or under a blazer, they create texture without bulk. Stick to minimalist tonestone, navy, or chocolate for maximum versatility. This single upgrade gives your outfits refinement and balance without costing much. (11) Minimalist field jacket. Upgrade. The field jacket is perfect for men over 50 who want utility without bulk. Skip the military overload. Today's version is sleek, minimal, and structured. Look for cotton sateen or lightweight waxed canvas in neutral colors like moss or navy. Its understated pockets and clean lines make it ideal for layering over knitwear or shirts. This jacket brings effortless masculinity to your outfit while keeping it refined. It's not about nostalgia, it's about precision. (12) The modern overshirt. Think of the overshirt as your middle ground between a shirt and a jacket. It's the ideal transitional piece that adds depth without heaviness. Choose brushed cotton or wool blends in subtle checks or solid neutrals. Nothing flashy. It gives structure, visual texture, and a youthful yet mature tone to casual outfits. Men over 50 benefit most from this piece because it breaks monotony and introduces easy layering that feels current but ageless. (13) Tapered smart jeans. The biggest denim mistake after 50 is sticking to wide or baggy cuts. Tapered jeans slim, but not skinny, create a clean, modern line that elongates the legs. Choose dark indigo or washed black with minimal fading. This balance of comfort and sharpness elevates every casual look, from polos to sweaters. The key is fit should contour without clinging. Good jeans don't shout. They speak quietly but confidently. (14) Statement knit polo dot. For men who want subtle sophistication, the knit polo is a game changer. Its soft texture and structured collar make it more refined than a t-shirt, yet more relaxed than a shirt. Choose cotton or silk blends with a slight sheen for luxury on a budget. Earthy tones taupe, rust, or forest green. Add warmth and maturity. This is the kind of piece that turns simplicity into elegance with zero effort. 15 Modern Minimal Coat. Every stylish man over 50 needs a long outer layer that's both clean and contemporary. Skip traditional trench belts and excess buttons. Go for a single-breasted car coat or a minimalist topcoat in stone, navy, or charcoal. The length should hit mid-thigh, offering elegant proportion without excess fabric. This one piece instantly adds height, confidence, and timeless appeal to your autumn and winter wardrobes. If you found even one of these style hacks helpful, imagine what your full wardrobe could do with the right direction. Modern, timeless, and built for the man you've become. That's what this channel is all about. Don't just dress your age, define it. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community of confident men over 40 who know how to age with effortless style. Stay sharp, stay relevant, and I'll see you in the next video. Gentlemen.